Hello everyone, I'm Andrew and welcome back to our origami lessons. In today's origami lesson, we'll continue our mini series of origami dinosaurs. Okay. Uh, Today's dinosaur, it's a Dimetrodon. Again, it's a beginner's origami dinosaur model and it's very easy to make. The good part at this origami is that you can make two Dimetrodons from a square sheet of paper. I'm using 15 by 15 centimeter paper, kami paper, which is colored on one side, you see, and white on the other. Okay, let's start on making our Dimetrodons. First, you will take a square sheet of paper. It doesn't matter the dimensions. You fold it in half and cut along the middle line, and you should obtain two 1:2 ratio rectangles, or two halves of that square. Okay, then you're ready to make two Dimetrodons. I will show you how to make just only one, and you can make as many as you want. Okay, so you have two rectangles. Put one apart, we don't need it, and then take one of these rectangles and start folding. Okay, if you're using sheets with color on both sides, it doesn't matter which you side start up, but if you're using paper with color on one side and white on the other, start with the white side up. Okay, take your rectangle so that the long way is like this and fold it in half. Now fold it in half. For me, is much more easier like this. Crease sharply and then rotate so that you have the open side at the bottom, and fold this segment in half here. So basically you're folding this edge to this edge like this, and you should reveal a nice white side here. Crease sharply. Okay, then turn it over and repeat the same step as earlier. So fold that square in half. Good, and you should have something that looks like this in a zigzag pattern. Okay, then fold this segment, this white rectangle here, in half. So you're basically folding this top edge to the bottom edge like this. And crease sharply again. Then turn it over and repeat as earlier. There are a lot of repeating steps to make your final Dimetrodon look good. Okay, and I will zoom in a bit. Okay, and then after you make this step, fold the diagonal here so that this edge from here aligns with the bottom edge like this. You see? Okay, and then repeat the same on this side. Okay, and then turn it over and do the same steps as earlier. As I said, there are a lot of repeating steps. Okay. Okay. And then you'll need to inside reverse fold these little triangles, these little folds which you made earlier. To make an inside reverse fold, you basically unfold these folds and then lift this flap up, and you see that you have a mountain fold here, a valley fold in the middle, and the diagonal valley fold here. Make the diagonal valley fold, then push this fold here, and then keep your finger there, and then push it down. I will show you again on this side. First, lift this flap up, and you see again that you have a mountain fold here, a diagonal mountain fold, a diagonal valley fold, and this middle valley fold. First, make the diagonal valley fold, then you have this crease here. Make it a valley fold, put your finger inside here, and then push the whole flap down. And that should be your inside reverse folds. And you see that you have an opening here and a flap. Okay, then turn it over and repeat the same steps as earlier. I'm doing now a bit faster because I'm expert in origami and I know a lot of things about origami. Okay, and after you make this inside reverse fold, take this flap and unfold it. So you should have a form that looks like this, and then turn it over and repeat the same step. So unfold that flap. Then you'll need to make a diagonal fold so that this edge from this side edge, aligns with this crease which you've unfolded earlier. So you're basically doing this fold like this, and then repeat the same step on the other side. Bring that side edge to the crease, and this time crease very sharply because you're creasing through two layers. Then turn it, and if you want, you can add some little mountain folds to give a detail to your Dimetrodon, but I will not do that. And then after you did this, fold back up these flaps. Okay, and you should have then push this flap here which you have onto the side, push it like this, and then push the other one too, and then this one you will create the bisector of this angle here. So you're basically folding this edge to the crease, then onto this one you need to do the same, fold the bisector of this angle. So you're basically folding this edge to this crease. Okay, then repeat on the other side. So fold these two triangles like this, and then fold the legs. These will be the legs. Fold the bisector of these angles to make the legs. And as I said, you can do a little series of creams to make to add a bit of details to your dinosaur, but I will not do that. Be careful to don't have this opening here which you fold, which where you folded these two triangles. Turn it over so you don't have any opening. You see? Okay. And that should be your finished Dimetrodon. It's a triangle. It's a basically it's a triangle with legs. Okay, and that's our finished dinosaur. You see, it's very fun to play and very fun to give it to your kids. It's very cool. Uh, oh, I have a little announcement for you. Don't make two Dimetrodons and uh, keep the other half of the square, because we will use it later to make another dinosaur which looks kinda the same as the Dimetrodon. Let me find it. Where is it? A stegosaurus. We will make a stegosaurus tomorrow. So keep the other half